Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to finish a hat if you started with waste yarn. Usually we don't need waste yarn when we make a hat, but in this case I started with waste yarn, then I used the color that I wanted, and then I cast off picking up the stitches, and in this side it's easy, I just cinch this part and close the hat. But in this side I can do that because I have the waste yarn. So in this situation, depending on your tail, if it's long or short, you can use this one. This one is short for me, so I cannot use this one. You need yarn that goes around one time and more. And then you have to pick up the stitches. I will pick up the stitches and I will place them here on this yarn, or if this one, in your case, it's longer, then you can use this one. You don't need a new one. So in my case, I need this yarn, and I will start with first one. I'll take this one off. So this is the last stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can pick them one by one or all together. Make sure when you pull the yarn, you don't pull all the yarn and comes off. So I have 10. I did this with 40, so I should have at the end 40 loops on my yarn. So you can take one by one like this. Okay, just continue. 3, 14, 15, 16, 17. So do all the way around. $38, $39, $39, and this one as well. This is my 40. Okay, so I have all the loops secured with a new yarn because this one was too short to use it. Now all my loops are secure, so if I remove the waste yarn, I will not lose my work because the live stitches are here secured with this yarn. To remove this one, because it was at the beginning, I have to pull the stitches. Go to the next one, you find the yarn and just pull. Or you can watch the other video on how to remove the waste yarn. So now I have all my stitches secured. If I pull this yarn all the way, I can close the hat with this yarn and then secure it with this one. Or in my situation, at the beginning was short, I couldn't pick up all the stitches, but now when the hat is cinched, I see that I can go around with my yarn and then I will finish as this one. So in this situation there are two options. I can take this tail, my color, my yarn, and just pay attention which way the yarn goes. So if I pull this way, you see I cinch my stitches. So I can go around and pick up all the loops, make sure that I have 40, and then I cinch with this one. But I want to show you, let's say this one is really short and I can do this method. Then just use the yarn that you had before. Make sure that you have to cinch it with these two and to make a knot, double knot, and pull as much as you can. Make sure you don't break the yarn. And when you like how it looks, secure it. I will move all of this. I have to tie these two together so I don't lose this one, but I will do it inside because I don't want to be visible on the right side. So I have all three. I didn't finish this part yet, so make sure that everything is good in here. And now I have to secure, this is my main color, and I will tie a double knot with these two together. And then two of them I will cut them, and this is inside the hat. I'll keep this one because I want to finish the hat. So now you do like, it's your method. You can cinch this one. I like to go one more time around. Don't lose the other end. Make a double knot. And then I'll make a knot with these two colors. These are different colors because the other side of the hat starts with pink. Okay. I will do one more to make sure that it's secured. And then I will hide the ends inside. So this is how you finish a hat if you started with waste yarn and you don't need the waste yarn. This will be a reversible hat, so I will bring again the pink in the other side to see if I can hide it here. See, it's not visible then. I will go around a couple of stitches. It's secured already because I tied it on the other side. Just want to keep it with the pink side. This is a newborn hat, up to 3 or 6 months depending on the baby. Before I finish this video, I want to show you what yarn I used. This is Red Heart Super Saver, and the blue that I used inside is Bernat Premium. This is the color. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.